Okay, this is a division problem, and I know it's a division problem because there's a little division sign right here. But to work it, I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to write it as 19 x to the 7th v to the 6th minus 16 x to the 3rd v to the 6th, all divided by the negative 4 x to the 5th v to the 4th. All right, because this division sign that I highlighted in yellow is the same thing as dividing it like that with a fractional line. Now, what you're going to do is literally distribute the division. You're going to take the 19 x to the 7th v to the 6th, and that is going to get divided by the negative 4 x to the 5th v to the 4th, minus the 16x to the 3rd v to the 6th will also get divided by the negative 4x to the 5th v to the 4th. So it's like you're taking this and dividing it by that, and then you're taking this and dividing it by that. They're both getting divided. So I'm going to start with this, all right? And I'm going to start with the coefficients, the 19 and the negative 4. Well, unfortunately, negative 4 doesn't go into 19, so I'm going to have to leave the 19 there and the negative 4 there. Then I'm going to look at my x's. Now, on my x's, I have an x to the 7th over an x to the 5th. The 5 x's in the bottom are going to cancel out 5 x's in the top and leave you with just 2. So I'm going to have an x squared right there. Then I'm going to look at my v's. I've got a v to the 4th in the bottom and a v to the 6th in the top. These 4 v's are going to cancel out 4 of the 6 and leave you with 2. So I'm going to v squared right there. So basically I have a negative 19x squared v to the squared all over 4. When you come over here, you've got this negative and that negative. Well, a negative and a negative are going to make this a positive right here. Okay? Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Whoop. And then I am going to divide the 16 divided by the 4. That is going to be 4. And then I'm going to look at my x to the 3rd over my x to the 5th. But this time I've got x to the 3rd, which is really x times x times x in the numerator. And I've got x to the 5th, which is x times x times x times x times x in the denominator. So these 3 x's are going to cancel out 3 of these and leave you with 2 down here. So I'm actually going to have an x squared in the denominator. And then I'm going to go to my v's, and these 2 v's are just like the other ones. The 4 v's in the bottom are going to cancel out 4 of the 6 in the top and leave you with 2. So you'll have a v squared there. So to make it pretty, it's a negative 19x squared v squared over 4 plus a 4v squared over an x squared. And that's my answer.